I'm cooking some cabbage today. I'm putting dry salt meat in there, some bell pepper, and some garlic season and pepper, lemon pepper, and I'm gonna cook it till it's real done, and then I'm gonna put some meatballs off in it, and then there's gonna be a taste of meatball cabbage.
Alright, we're gonna take a break till she gets our next part. Alright, cut. I guess she have done with the cabbage. She put the green tomato. Oh, what word was she said?
Bell peppers.
She put the bell peppers in there. She put the cabbage in there. She go after this part. She gonna do meatballs next. Alright, we gonna take another break. We're gonna be right back.
I'm using garlic season. Putting garlic season in the meatball cabbage. Put the black pepper season with garlic. Put some pepper in it, black pepper. Some salt, vegetable salt.
Yep, vegetable salt.
And I put in some, what am I kidding? And I put in some, can't remember the name of this stuff. I put in a little of that in the cabbage, meatball cabbage.
Yeah, it might be a little spicy to some of y'all people in here.
And then I put ball of my meatballs and put them off in there.
I'm gonna take a break. Action.
Homemade meatballs.
Like she don't even got none. Swear, I run this stuff.
I got the homemade, put a little small bit of homemade meatballs inside of there.
Damn, I was wrong. Like, damn, can you get it?
Yes, I got it down in my hand.
You see what type of meat it was?
It's hamburger meatballs.
Now, what type of hamburger meat? It's different kinds.
Well, I got the regular hamburger meat. It could use any kind. Cause some people use pork or beef. It don't matter. Making them little small. You can make them all sizes.
Cause we barely got some, so y'all just spare somewhere.
And I'm gonna put a red onion in there. And the cabbage, and then it's red or pepper, whatever color it is. I think it's pepper onion though. To me, I call it red onion.
That's enough meat. I gonna use all of it.
Yeah. And then I'm looking about. I can see it. Red onion still in there.
Alright, we're gonna take a break for a second. I'll be back. We got the onion. So the onion's supposed to look like this. You can season it too if you want. Excuse me.
He just been playing.
I know I wouldn't been fine for real. I'm gonna do it myself. She's gonna hold the camera for me.
You know, keep that onion.
Too bad. No, it's not.
I ain't put no seasoning in that onion.
It's gonna be 2 seasons I can use.
No, Jake. Not today, buddy.
Oh, okay.
See how I roll my meatballs up? Let it go in cabbage. And the onion for to get cut up and go in there with it. And then you slow cook it.
Yeah, the cabbage smell like that. It's the onion. I said, damn, I smell the onion already. Alright, she done. She gonna cut the onion up off camera though. And you want to record it when you get done this time?
Yes, when it get done, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like.
Alright, we're gonna take a good break. She'll scrub the cabbage up. She's done. All right.
It's done. This how it look. Y'all, this how it look when it's done.
Sure, I got home.
Okay, that's all of it today.
Like and subscribe. She want to say, but she too shy for right now. She just want to talk about her food. Say bye.
Bye.
I heard a little nappy now.
Bye,
if you
y'all.
ain't know this. Welcome to the Jacob Ross and Holly show. We cook every time. Well, she cook on her channel. I just cook on mine too, but I ain't cooking. Well, I'm gonna make a cooking video too. But like, subscribe to her, and so support to me, Jacob Ross.
And peace. Like you do this.
Hey, if you like this video, subscribe to Jacob Ross and Holly Ross. Use a walk-off camera.
It's showing me.
Damn it.